Hello, what is? How's your preparation is going on? Hope so. All are doing your best. Only one day left for exam. So I come up with some important questions, some selected questions from chemistry. So start करते हैं बिना किसी time waste किए. First question: in thermite reaction, aluminum is used as oxidizing agent, reducing agent, catalyst, or enzyme. Thermite reaction is the most important reaction for your exam. And here aluminum is used as option B, that is a reducing agent. Lead nitrate burns, then a brown fume occurs. This brown fume is of carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen oxide, or oxygen. Say which of the following is correct answer. And the brown fume is nitrogen oxide, option C. Adding methanol, pyridine, copper sulfate in ethyl alcohol, that is known as esterification, denatured alcohol, saponification, or dehydration of alcohol. Which of the following is correct? Nico. All these are done for the denatured of alcohol, okay, which prevents the black marketing of ethyl alcohol. If sodium is added to alcohol, then which gas produces oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? And option B, that is hydrogen gas evolves. In dehydration of alcohol, what happens? Unsaturated changes to saturated, saturated changes to unsaturated, nothing happen, or you can't say. And in the reaction, option B, that is saturated changes to unsaturated. Which test is done to distinguish between whether it is a saturated or unsaturated carbon compound? Sodium metal test, bromine water test, ester test, or none of these? It is also important question. Test that is done for bromine water test. Option B is correct answer. In bromine water test, saturated does not changes the color, but unsaturated changes the color and makes the bromine water decolorize. Which of the following is good for humans? Vegetable ghee, butter, desi ghee, or vegetable oil? Always remember, unsaturated fats are good for health, but vegetable ghee, butter, desi ghee, all these are saturated fats. And option D, vegetable oil, that is the correct answer, which is unsaturated fat. Which functional group present in the propanol? OH group, COOH, CO, and CHO. Which of the following is correct? Propanol belongs to aldehyde, and aldehyde contains CHO group. Okay. Which of the following is the formula of carboxylic acid? Option A, B, C, or D. And the correct formula is, that is option B. It always contains COOH group. Which of the following cannot exhibit isomerism? C4H10, C5H12, C3H8, C6H14. तो आइसोमेरिज्म के लिए कंडीशन क्या होता है? मिनिमम 4 कार्बन्स रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं. तो कौन नहीं कर सकता है? ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज C3H8. आइसोमेरिज्म also important. Calamine ore can be converted to zinc oxide by the process of which of the following? Dehydration, roasting, calcination, or none of these? Calamine ore converted to zinc oxide by the process of calcination, which is done in the absence of oxygen. Roasting also important. During the electrolysis refining of a metal, the pure metal is deposited at anode, cathode, at the bottom of tank and on the wall of the tank. Always remember, metals are electropositive, so they deposited at the negative terminal, which is cathode. Option B is correct answer. For making stainless steel, iron is mixed with copper, chromium, chromium nickel, chromium T, copper and nickel. For making stainless steel, iron is mixed with, option B is correct answer. Name of the metal that is required to make amalgam: iron, zinc, mercury, and aluminium. For making amalgam, always it is the requirement of mercury is there. The option C is correct answer. Cinnabar, this is the ore of which of the following? Iron, zinc, mercury, and aluminium. And the correct answer is option C, that is mercury. Its extraction is also important. Name of the liquid metal and non-metal: bromine, zinc, mercury. Option D, C, and A respectively. Let's remember, liquid metal, that is mercury, option C, and liquid non-metal, that is bromine. Option D is correct answer. which is amphoteric oxide. Fe2O3, Al2O3, ZNO. Option D, both B and C. Amphoteric oxide is your aluminum oxide and zinc oxide. Option B and C is correct answer. Metals form which type of oxides? Acidic, basic, neutral, and both B and C. Always remember metals produces basic oxide. Option C is correct answer. Which of the acid react with metal and does not form hydrogen gas? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and none of these. The correct answer for this is नाइट्रिक एसिड, बट एक्सेप्शन इज देयर। ये सिर्फ मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम और मैंगनीज के साथ रिएक्शन करके हाइड्रोजन इवॉल्व करता है, बाकियों के साथ नहीं कर पाता, इसलिए क्योंकि ये एक स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है। सब्सटेंस हुज स्मेल चेंजेस इन एसिडिक एंड बेसिक मीडियम इज नोन एज गस्टेटरी इंडिकेटर, olfactory indicator, ईस्टर एंड नॉन ऑफ दिस। तो दिस इज नोन एज olfactory indicator. Option B. During the electrolysis of water, hydrogen is collected at anode, cathode, can say, and none of these. Hydrogen is collected at cathode. Option B is correct answer.